honest, I'm not feeling too strong this morning. And I don't know what the problem really is.
Do not worry. You will be okay. All you need is a rest. Right? I'll see you when I get back.
It's okay, my king. My baby and I will be waiting for you.
I cannot wait to see the day that he will be born. I've waited for years to have him. I know he's going to look like his father.
Like his mother?
Well, let's wait and see.
Yeah.
Alright, my darling. I'll see you. Let me go. Oh. Take care of yourself.
It's okay.
Okay?
Have a good day and safe journey. Thank you. Come in. What is the matter?
My queen, Uche Udabara is here.
Okay. Tell him I am coming.
Yes, my queen. Yes, my queen.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you.
Now you Daba.
My queen.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. How is your wife or you?
She's very fine. My queen, I actually came to see my brother, but I was told he's not around. So I was really getting ready to go when you came.
Actually, he went out some minutes ago. But he'll be coming back by evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just tell him that I was here.
Please, wait. Let me get something for you.
My queen, please don't bother yourself since I'll be coming back in the evening. You can as well do that in the evening, eh?
It's okay. Please extend my greetings to your wife.
Oh, I sure will. Thank you. Huh?
It's alright. Take care.
Calm down. Calm down. What is wrong with both of you? Will you calm down? Calm down. Calm down there. Calm down. Are you out of your senses? What's going on? Oh! Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit, okay, down, sit down. Okay.
Wait, why are you treating me like this? Have you forgotten that I'm your Igwe? Huh?
Shut up, your mouth. You are not talking about Igwe here.
Hey, what is this? Ah! First, we have to go and set this car ablaze. Then we'll come back and bury him. Huh?
Go fast.
Let's go. Let's go.
No time.
Let's go.
Fast. Fast.
What is it? What's the problem? What is it? Where is my husband? My husband, where is he?
My queen, they
what? I said, where is my husband?
My queen, they attacked us on our way and killed the king.
No, it's not true now. It's not true, my queen. It's not true because it can't be true.
His body. We escape. No, by luck.
No. I said, where is my husband? Where is... Is it true? It can't be true. It can't be true. Where is my husband? I said, where is my husband? Where is my husband? I will devour you. Ah, my goodness. My goodness. It was a dream. It was a dream. The guards killed the king. Oh no. No. What kind of dream was that? Who is there?
My queen, Samara.
Oh. Come in.
Good morning, my queen.
What is it?
Breakfast is served.
Breakfast?
Yes, my queen.
What is the time?
This is almost 8 a.m., my queen.
It's okay. I'm coming.
Thank you, my queen.
It was a dream. It was a dream. I have to tell my husband about this. He has to be very careful from now on.
Please, you. Please, here. Please, here. in this house.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm okay. Let me tell you that you're here.
Okay.
Nolani.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, your mom.
My husband. Oh, is there? Somebody is there to see you.
My brother, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
How is the family?
We are very fine. We are very fine. Thank you very much. I brought the fresh palm wine.
That is so thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ajugo, please go and get us glasses. I think this is the best time to take it, especially now that it is fresh.
Yes, this is the right time because it is still very fresh.
I can perceive the aroma. Oh, you are right, you are right.
It's better than the one. We'll take it now.
Please. Do you care?
Thank you.
All right. Please, you can.
Very good.
Oh yes, it is.
Yes.
As always. That reminds me. How are you preparing for your case tomorrow at the palace?
Chodabra, that's the reason.
Really?
I need you to support me. You know, I can't stand by and allow Emenike win that case. You know, my father owns that land. But Emenike's grandfather took the land from my father. And since then, they've been cultivating them.
Is that what your father told you?
Yes. People think that Emenike and his family own that land because they've been cultivating on it. Nobody knows exactly what happened.
That's alright. You don't have to panic over this again. I'll talk to my brother and the judgment will be passed in favor of you.
Thank you very much, Ichi Odaba. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And I must appreciate after everything.
Consider it done. Meanwhile, let us drink the palm wine.
The palm wine is very fresh palm wine.
It's nice.
That smells nice.
My queen, why are you still worried over a mere dream?
I am afraid, Your Majesty. Yes.
I told you to forget about it. Dreams at times can be mere imagination.
Your Majesty, we don't need to take chances. We're talking about life. This might be a revelation from the gods.
It appears you have something you want to tell me. Say it to my hearing.
I suggest you change your bodyguards.
You want me to change my guards?
Yes, Your Majesty. For precautionary purpose.
There is no problem. I've heard you. You have the authority. Change the guards to the ones you feel we can rely on.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you very much.
I always wanted to be happy at all times.
That's why I love you so much. You are so caring.
You are welcome, my love. But I have to start going now because I'm already late for the celebration at Ama for Kingdom. And my brother, Ite Udeabara, will be wondering what's keeping me.
Please, be careful when you get there.
The gods are with us. So nothing evil will happen to me.
Why am I still in this condition? Why am I still in this miserable condition? Why? God, why? Hey!
Ego, you are still lamenting.
Hey!
Ego, I've told you to stop lamenting. Everything will be alright. When will again?
When will everything be alright? This is the 6th miscarriage I'm having. 6th! Look at me, Jolo.
You did not tell anything.
You're not listening, your mama, Dikeh. You can't go, me, Jolo.
Ego. Ego, you did not offend anybody. And you have not offended anybody. Let me tell you, the gods are watching us, and I strongly believe they will not abandon us. The one that will stay will come at its own time. Put yourself together. Ego.
When will that one come? Is it when I'm dead? Is it when I can no longer conceive? When?
Ego.
When?
Eat your food. You did not eat last night. It's okay. I don't like this. I should be the one complaining. Ego, I should be the one complaining more than you. But you are taking it extra mile. Eat.
I don't want to eat.
You do not
I don't want to eat.
Ego, stop this. I don't like this. I don't like this.
I want to conceive.
You will conceive.
I want to be a children.
You will be a children. Eat. Have the strength to work for children. Eat it for yeah. Eat now.
I don't want food. I want to conceive. I want to conceive. I want to bear my child.
Okay, go. You will conceive. I promise that you will conceive.
Igwe Ezeonu's Ofala festival was very colorful.
Yes, indeed, it was. He really prepared for it. He told me that this year's Ofala was going to be splendid, exceptional, and he made it.
He is a man of high taste, yes. And I envy him for that.
He's a good man, and his people like him for that. He is also taking care of his people.
All right. It is said that the glory of a king is the well-being of his people.
You are very correct.
Your Majesty,
yes.
I am still very much disturbed.
About what?
About your wife's condition. I think it is better you take a second wife.
Since Ndena cannot give you a child that will take over from you when you must have joined your ancestors.
Oh, you worry too much.
Your Majesty, this is a serious matter. We're talking about somebody that will succeed you.
Do not bother. You worry too much. Now listen, you are the only one I'm going to tell this.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
Are you telling me the truth, or you're just trying to pull my legs?
It is the truth.
This is good news. I am so happy to hear it. So I have been worrying myself over nothing.
That is just it.
Wow. Oh, this is good news. This is good news. I'm happy to hear it.
You have not told me of the outcome of your visit to the hospital earlier this afternoon.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I met the doctor. He said all is well. Yeah, he gave me more drugs.
This is interesting. I am happy that the gods have answered my prayers at last. After 6 years. Is this not a big thing?
It is indeed. We are highly favored.
And that day, I'm going to organize a very big feast for his naming ceremony. People shall come from far and wide. It shall be a big thing in this kingdom.
Your Majesty, I can't wait for that day to come.
Medicine is ready, my queen.
Okay. I hope you allowed it to boil very well.
Yes, my queen.
It's okay. You can go.
Thank you, my queen.
Your herbal medicine have been very effective. I always felt strong in the morning, anytime I take it at night.
You talk as if you have forgotten that my father was a great herbalist. I've not forgotten everything he taught me about herbal medicine. Yeah, I still remember.
You were right. Your father was a very great man.
Take it now.
You know that it used to be very bitter.
Hey, Ojogo.
Amara.
Eh?
What are you doing here all alone by this time of the night?
Nothing. I was searching for something.
Searching for what? Anyway, the queen asked me to call you.
The queen?
Yes.
Any problem?
I don't know. She just asked me to call you.
Okay. Why are you staring at me like that?
You have not told me what you are doing here.
I told you I was searching for something. Excuse me.
Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning. You want to see my husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the message. I will deliver it when he comes out.
Is anything the matter? Is anything the matter?
He said he wants to say. Drop your message.
Good morning, Chief.
Good morning.
Your presence is needed at the palace right now.
The Igwe has never summoned me like this before. I hope all is well.
It was Ono who that sent me.
Oh no.
Oh no, Mr. Chief.
It's alright. Go. I am coming behind you.
Thank you, Chief.
I'm right behind you.
Why would Ono who summoned you instead of your brother, Dikeh?
I don't know. I think something is wrong in the palace. I have to go immediately. Yes.
Udabara.
So it is true. The great Iroko has fallen. Udogwana. Who did this to you? You left your only brother without a word? This is not fair. Tragedy has struck. Oh no.
Udabara.
My heart is filled with pains.
You have to take heart. Be a man. Death is natural. It awaits every human being at different times and in different forms. Since we're here, I have to take my leave. Let me join the other elders while we wait for the chief priest.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, no. Thank you.
This is the greatest abomination this kingdom has ever witnessed.
Indeed, indeed.
The question is, who must have done this? Whosoever did it must be fished out
at once.
And let me tell you, EZEONU must be brought into this case.
Exactly.
Yes, you're right. We have to invite the EZEONU, and that has to be immediately.
At once, at once. Listen, we have to move immediately because delay is dangerous, or no?
Let's go. Let's go.
Ajugo! Ajugo! I am going to the palace.
I hope there is no problem.
Something terrible has happened again. I will tell you about it when I come back.
I hope it is not dead again. I saw Mema yesterday. She did not complain or anything. Okay. I'll hear the full story when he comes back.
Who is there?
Amara.
Oh, come in.
My queen, the elders are here.
Has EZEONU come?
No, my queen.
What of my husband's brother?
He's here too.
It's okay. Inform me as soon as EZEONU comes.
Okay, my
And we'll go.
Onye furu mmanwụ kele mmanwụ na menugo. Onye furu mmanwụ kele mmanwụ na menugo. Ano mara mma kpọrọ ọsọkọlị ka boss. Oh no.
Azamu.
The spirit has refused to speak. Something is wrong somewhere.
Why? Wise one, please consult the gods again. That is the only remedy to this situation.
Yes, wise one. Consult the gods again. Maybe they are sleeping.
Yes. Wake them up.
Kwage bariso kanga de burago. Orugo. Ayasa kaburi abura ge magini. You all heard me. The spirit has refused to speak.
Ezamu, since the spirits have refused to talk, what then do we do?
Speak, for your servant heareth. Your fault is hidden somewhere in this community. You have to send the youth for a search immediately. Let them search every nook and crannies of this community, house by house. Whosoever that made away with the offer, the staff of authority of this community, is a thief and must be treated like one according to the tradition of this land. Hey. I have spoken.
My husband,
Now that the youths have searched everywhere without finding the offer, what is the next line of action?
I can't say. We are waiting on EZEONU to decide. Who knows if the gods might decide to speak this time?
You know, it baffles me how anyone could walk into the palace, go straight to the throne room and steal the offer without being noticed.
Whoever did it planned it very well.
I've been so scared since then.
Why? Why are you scared?
It's obvious someone has his eyes on the throne.
Stealing our offer will never make whoever he is the king of our land. So I don't think that is the reason.
Well, my husband, you would have understood it better if you knew what killed your brother.
Wait, are you suggesting he was killed?
Of course now, he was killed.
Oh, that is not possible. Let's not talk about that before you start pointing accusing fingers on someone.
I'm not accusing anyone. No. All I am telling you is to be careful. You are the next Igwe of this land, and whoever killed your brother is capable of killing you too.
Oh, that is not possible. Nobody is going to kill me.
I pray so.
Nobody will do that.
I hope so. Hey.
Akada ko sime. Onye se ka abụrụ ya ga-eme gịnị? Asị na obu isi ụmụazị. Adawa dagbuo mbe. Akpọrọwazi akpọrọ bụ agụ. Agadi nwantị ka o buru ihe o ji n'iko ọsọ ike n'ala. Oh no, my ears are itching. You can now speak.
Asị na ọ na-aba chọba anya anụ jee n'isi ya. We have come on behalf of the other elders to find out from you if the gods are still silent concerning our missing offer. Our father got missing since 5 days ago. We hide that.
A wise one. The youths have concluded their search, yet they couldn't find anything. Please help us. This is a very serious situation.
Orwe ka na-eruo onye fọrọ mmanwụ kele mmanwụ na menugo onye fọrọ mmanwụ kele mmanwụ na menugo nkiri ka na-ekiri odudu ka na-eji odudu elu ogu The gods of our land. Asị na na-eri anụ deleri mana na-eri maka na asị eruo ka ha erudele atọtio ngịga o rukwela nụ ka eri ha wudele ka e wee tọtio ya ngịga maka na ọ bụ nkanka nkọ kpọtara na nkọnkọ ọhịa ka eji wee tie ya wudele kara aka. Gods of our land, elders are here. You have heard them. What shall we do? Gods of our land, what you sent me is what I'm doing. If you know the name can name, Makanapena, Matanea di Roshi, a Jopa Bako. Always money. God shall stay silent.
Hey! Silent quoi?
So where are you going?
There is one place you have not found.
And where is the place?
The palace.
The palace. Your voice is not in the palace. We all know that.
You have to do what I said and do it quickly. That is the message. Go!
We can go now.
And let them search the palace. Orwe kaneru. Orwe kaneru. Onye fere mawu kele mawu na menugo.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my queen.
You are welcome, sirs. Welcome.
Thank you so much. I hope we are not disturbing you.
No, there's no problem. Is there any news about the missing Ofo?
No, there is no news yet about the missing. Of course, that is why we are here. Okay. Yes. There is an order from the chief priest that this palace must be searched thoroughly concerning the missing Ofo.
Wait, the chief priest asked you to search the palace? For what? Didn't you tell him that we've checked everywhere before announcing that the Ofo is missing?
Yes, we told him, but he still insisted that we thoroughly search this royal palace.
Yes.
Even we are with some youths that are working outside.
Yes.
No problem. You go ahead.
One more thing, Your Majesty. We plead that you permit the guards to monitor the search. You go ahead, please.
Searching our rooms.
Yes, so I wonder why the EZEONU instructed the elders to search for the missing Ofo in the palace.
Hi, but one of us or even the guards would have seen the missing Ofo if it's missing in this palace.
I don't understand. I don't.
Why did the EZEONU instruct them to search the palace? Huh? Whoever took away the sacred object from the throne room can never keep it anywhere around the palace. It's not possible now. It's not possible.
Who is there? Come in.
My queen, the youth are here to search your room.
Let them in.
Okay. Greetings. Be careful before you damage things in this room.
Please allow them to feel free. Do the search.
Okay. Just very well. Okay, now you have not seen anything.
Please allow them. Do the conduct. Continue.
Search very well.
No worries. No.
My queen, I found this under your bed.
Who kept it there? No. I don't know anything about this. I don't know anything about this. I don't know who kept it under my bed. I don't know anything about this, so...
We understand, my queen. Just calm down.
I don't know anything about this. I don't know anything about this.
Where are you hurrying to? Are you telling me that you are the only one who have not had the latest news in our land?
I have not heard anything. I was just coming from Amafo, my sister's place, where I went to see her.
The missing offer has been found. Yes!
Huh? Where? When?
It was found right under the bed of Queen Nena. Yes, Queen Nena.
Dikeh, you are just joking. It's one of your jokes. Tell me it's a joke.
It is not a joke. Huh? As you can see, I am heading to the palace now. All the elders are all gathered there. If you like, you come. If you don't like, stay.
What kind of story is this? No, there must be a mistake somewhere. Huh? Dikeh is not sure of what he told me. But nevertheless, let me follow him to the palace and find out the real story. Dikeh. Wait for me.
My elders, please. To be honest with you, I didn't know how the sacred object got into my bedroom. That is the truth. I mean, I shouldn't have stolen it. How can I do such thing? I didn't. Please, you people should understand me. I didn't.
Elders of our land, EZEONU, I am convinced in my spirit that the queen did not do it.
That's it.
And I know that we all know that the queen is innocent. Let us pardon her and forget about this matter.
The judgment has already been passed. As you all know, the law is no respecter of person. The queen must face the consequence according to the customs and traditions of this land. She is thereby banished forever from this land.
No!
I have spoken, and so shall it be.
No!
You have to temper justice with
I didn't do it! I didn't do it! I didn't do it! I know I didn't do it! I'm innocent! I'm innocent! I didn't do it!
I think she's innocent.
I didn't do it! I didn't do it!
I know it. I believe you. Please, come back here, please.
I didn't do anything!
Oh no, come back here! I know you did not do it. Please come back. How are you waiting? I believe you. My queen.
No!
You know what? No! The gods will vindicate you. I know that. Wherever they take you to, I know that you will come back alive. Don't worry. How can you just leave her like this? Oh! Sorry. I know that the gods will vindicate you. I know it. I know it.
This is unbelievable. What will the offer be doing under Queen Nena's bed?
That is a $1 million question. You see, EZEONU would have given us more time to investigate this matter. Because I am sure that Queen Nena wouldn't have taken the offer knowing the full implication. Yes.
Personally, I am speechless. Now, Queen Nena has been banished for a crime she knows nothing about.
Oh no, we made a great mistake. We would have insisted that Nena will not leave to anywhere until a full investigation is made.
Yes.
How could no one follows his or her shadow? But your shadow follows you anywhere you go. We wouldn't have succeeded if we had tried it.
Yeah, I am not happy at all.
Hey! Queen Nena is just simply unfortunate. She suffered the same fate as her late mother, who was accused of witchcraft and killed by some angry wolves.
And don't forget, they burnt their house.
Hey! And that wouldn't have been possible if her husband was alive.
I heard he died some few years immediately after the war.
No, let me be going. Because the more I talk about this Nena's matter, the more I get troubled.
Yeah. Oh no. There's no point in staying here any much longer.
Whenever.
Oh no, I'm afraid I have to leave now. May the gods fight for Queen Nena.
My husband. You've been worried all day. What has happened. Nena has been banished and there's nothing anybody can do about it.
I still feel for her because I know she has nowhere to run to. She is the only child of her late parents. And now she will not be welcomed in her father's land because of the incident that led to her mother's death.
I thought it was settled then.
Actually, Nena's mother was innocent. But the enemies went on with the propaganda that she was actually practicing witchcraft. They would stone her to death the moment they set eyes on her.
Hey, indeed she has nowhere to go.
That is the point I've been trying to make. I wish I could be of any help to her.
One thing is sure, Nana is innocent. whoever planted that sacred object in her room will never go unpunished.
Amara!
Queen's personal lady.
Hey!
Hey! Who have done this? Who did this? Hey! 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 Mama, I'm hungry.
Obinna, what are you doing there?
Papa, I'm tired.
Come on, would you bend down and start walking?
Papa, I'm tired.
Lazy drone. Look at EZEONU. Ever since we came here, he has never stood up. You're telling me you're tired. Why are you this lazy?
Now you're getting it. Leave him alone now. Can't you see he is tired?
What do you mean by that?
What do you
mean by that? What has he done ever since we got here? What?
Can't you see that he is just a child? Allow him to rest.
Guinea, child. That's a problem. Open your stomach, let him go back inside so they can give back to him again and suckle him as well.
EZEONU, keep walking. There is no time to rest. Keep walking.
Leave that boy alone. You don't tell him what to do. He knows what to do. He has been walking ever since we came here, tirelessly.
Walk.
Papa,
Mama,
Mama,
rest.
I'm tired.
Rest.
Open the zip and walk.
Mama, I'm very hungry.
I'm coming now. Let me get
food. Be fast about it. Okay, Mama. Very hungry too.
EZEONU, what are you still doing here? Won't you go back to the farm and bring the remaining firewood?
Ego Yibo. What is that? Eh? What is the meaning of that? That he should go back to the farm and bring back firewood. You allowed Obinna here to come back empty-handed. And now you are sending us on the back to the farm to bring firewood. Is it fair? Eh?
How do you expect Obinna to carry that extra firewood? Eh? He overworked himself in the farm and you saw it.
Mama, tell him.
Iko, Apromia. Yeah? You are still seated. Stand up there, go and bring that firewood. I will break your head, though.
Mama, please. Allow me to rest. Iko.
Nature is
only 1 minute of Iko. Later I'll go and bring the firewood. Please.
There is no room for resting. Eh? Go and bring that firewood.
I don't like this thing you are doing. I don't like it.
Don't beat my mother. Don't hit my mother.
Who is fighting you? Who are fighting you? Leave me alone.
Go and bring the firewood.
Leave Papa. Go and bring the firewood. Go and bring the firewood now.
Hey, your grandmama left me.
Now you're talking to me. Hey!
Leave me alone. If you allow me one you again, if you come with a slap. I didn't slap.
You try to. Leave.
Go in.
I did not eat your food. No, leave me alone now. Leave me alone.
What is wrong with both of you? What is wrong with both of you?
Look at Papa telling to leave me alone. You must tell me why you ate my food. I did not eat your food. I did not eat your food.
Hey, Papa, look at this boy.
Obinna, are you sure you did not eat his food?
Papa, I swear, I did not even see any food, not to talk of eating it.
Hey, this boy can lie. He Benanto. Eh? Why are you lying like this now?
EZEONU, how are you sure it was Obinna that ate you?
Who else will eat that food if not Obinna? Look at him.
Nani?
How?
I don't like the way you judge issues between EZEONU and Obinna in this house.
What do you mean by that?
I like
What do you mean by that? How could he have eaten his brother's food after eating his own? I don't support evil.
Mama, I swear, I did not even see any food, not to talk of eating it. I know it's your food. 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 Oh yeah, come now. Because you want to fight me. Oh yeah, come now. You ate your food and you're telling me that I'm the one. You vomit it.
He did not eat your food. Which here?
Olima, have you heard the story about the former queen of this kingdom?
What about her?
Well, how she was banished and the atrocity she committed.
The queen of Bosnia committed atrocity?
Yes. Well, they said she stole the fall of this kingdom after the death of her husband. That was about 27 years ago. 2 years before I was born.
But come to think of it, what will the queen of this land be doing with her phone?
Well, about that, I don't know. The person who told me this story said she was friend of. Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Is that to say she was not tried before judgment was passed on her?
I don't know. They said she was a nice woman, a really nice woman. But concerning your question, I don't know. Maybe I will ask Father about it.
Oh, really?
He should have more details.
I would love to be there because I want to know every detail about this.
Yeah.
This is serious. I'm not just about it, it's serious. I'm not joking, I'm serious. That is serious.
Yeah.
Greetings, my princess. My prince, the queen wants to see you.
Okay. Olema.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry. I'll be back to you in a minute, okay? I will keep you waiting.
Igwe. Igwe. Hey. Hey. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, what is the meaning of this? You are not talking to me. You don't seem to be happy. What is the matter? Speak to me. Tell me. Your Majesty. Hey. Igwe. Hey. Again. What? What sort of dream? This is the very first time I am seeing him in my dream. He really looked troubled. Obviously, he wouldn't have appeared before me in my dream for nothing. Hey. This is a sign. Your Majesty, I have come to share with you a particular dream I had last night.
A dream?
Yes, a dream.
What kind of dream is that?
Our late king, Igwe Ugonabo, appeared in my dream last night.
My late brother appeared to you in a dream?
Yes, Your Majesty.
This is strange. Guards! Please excuse us. Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Did he say anything to you?
No, he did not say anything to me. But his mood in the dream was a very bad one. Very, very bad dream. It gave me much concern. He was angry, very angry, but he refused to talk to me.
Why was he angry? We gave him all his rights, including a befitting burial as a king. Why was he angry? Is there anything we have done wrong? I don't understand.
Your Majesty, it is not all about having done anything or having done it wrongly or rightly. No. But the thing is that I am sure that there must be a reason behind such visit.
Oh no, why do you panic over a mere dream? Did you say my dream?
Of course, yes. Igwe Ogunabo is dead. He can appear to anyone in his dreams. But as far as I'm concerned, he is dead and gone forever. Yes.
I know all that, my king. I know. But from the look of things, the late Igwe Ogunabo is unhappy with this kingdom.
Oh no, now I don't understand anymore. You are getting me worried. Why do you keep saying he is not happy with his people? Why?
I don't know. Actually, I don't know why. But the truth is that from the look of things in my dream, he is not happy with this kingdom. That is all I know.
Well,
I don't know why.
Well, I just told you my mind concerning the dream. For me, it is meaningless. You know what to know. Let's go in and talk about something more important.
Your Majesty.
Please come with me, come.
Echezana.
But I don't know how to prepare the herbal medicine.
The gods will teach you how to do it when the right time comes. But you have to be very careful because of your enemies. You have a very bright future. Make sure you don't play with it.
You have not told me who you are.
Don't worry about who I am. All you needed now is to hold fast to whatever I teach you from now on. The future of a great kingdom lies in your hands.
Great kingdom? How?
I have to go now.
Oh, please. Please do not go. Stay with me for a while. I love the words you speak to me. They are words of wisdom, please.
I am with you all the time.
Look at this idiot. He is still sleeping.
Good morning.
There is nothing good about this morning. Get up!
Oh, why are you pouring me water?
You are asking me questions. Jerry, you are still talking. Get up, go and sweep the compound. Yes.
Can't you see it's raining? Can't you see?
It is better to sweep under rain. Sweeping under rain. Go and get broom.
I cannot.
You cannot.
What is it?
Echezona is becoming too stubborn for me in this house. He is becoming too stubborn. How can he be sleeping in this house by this time of the morning? He should go and sweep.
Eche, what is the matter?
I've been the one sweeping this compound ever before now.
That I know very well.
How do Mama expect me to go under this rain and start sweeping?
It is better to sweep under rain. Go and sweep.
Ego Ibo, let me ask you, where is Obinna?
What has Obinna got to do with sweeping of the compound?
Everything.
Obinna is not around. And you don't expect us to stay in a dirty compound. Echezona should go and sweep.
Ego Ibo, your attitude in this house is becoming unbearable. Especially where this boy is concerned. Why do you have to exonerate Obinna from taking part in any house chores here? Chiregene. Meaning what? You are the worst. Your own is getting too much.
Echezona go and sweep. The power rise and go down Sergio. Go and sweep.
Leave me alone. Echezona. Come.
Go and sweep.
Come. My father-in-law told me before he died. He said when you begin to give trouble back to everyone that gives you trouble, you are the most troublesome. Only trouble who gets your joy. Oh, you have to you need what your mother is doing. Don't take it to heart. Go and take it to my Can you keep quiet? Can you shut up? Can you shut up about Ego Ibo? He's doing it in his own because you ordered him to do it. I did it. Be careful. Ego Ibo, be careful with me in this house. You are pushing me. What if I ask you not to shoot again?
Our late king, Igwe Ugonabo, appeared in my dream last night.
Why was he angry? We gave him all his rights, including a befitting burial as a king.
The thing is that I am sure that there must be a reason behind such visit. From the look of things, the late Igwe Ugonabo is unhappy with this kingdom.
Come in.
But are you alright?
I am fine, my
You sure? Because you look worried.
Like I said, I am fine.
Okay. Father, there was something Odili was telling me about. Father, Odili told me about the former queen of this land. Did she actually steal the symbol of authority that was found in her bedroom?
Supposedly, yes.
And she was banished from this land on account of that. I learned some people were of the opinion that she was being framed up.
People can say whatever they want with their mouth. But the truth is, the affair was found in her possession, and that is a sacrilege in this land. The law is not a respecter of persons.
Father, I feel for her. Was she actually an orphan?
Yes, she was. Princess, I think you should leave now. I feel like being left alone.
Okay, Father. I'm sorry to have bothered you.
That's alright.
I'll check up on you later.
That's okay, my daughter.
Mother, I need a woman who will love me.
Odili, what do you know about love? For goodness sake, you are the prince. You are the next king. Every woman will love you for who you are. You know, do not ignore my word if you don't want to say the other side of me.